Hi everyone and welcome to Into Music with the Voices Foundation. We're so happy to have you here with us. We'll be here every Friday to help you get into musical learning at home. Together we'll be playing with musical concepts, practicing new skills and learning fun new songs you can sing with the whole family. Let's take a look at what we're doing today. Today we are focusing on food, one of my favourite things to focus on, and we're going to be singing 3 songs that are based on food or roughly related to food in some tenuous link way. But as always, we need to warm up our bodies and warm up our voices and get ready to sing and to move around. So the first thing I want you to do is just shake your hands up really, really high, shake your elbows, shimmy your shoulders, move your head from left to right, from left to right, from left to right, and then round and around and the other way, and round and around. Shimmy your shoulders again, wiggle your hips, shake your knee and your other knee, and then just rotate your ankle around a bit. Very important for singing, the ankles. Shake your foot, take a big breath in, let it out in a big sigh. Let's do it all again. Shake your hands up here, rain on your head, wake up all the hair in your head, needs to wake up. Rain on your forehead, wake up all the parts of your face, massage your cheeks, massage down your neck. Do this onto your chest, the top of your chest, shimmy your shoulders, wriggle one arm out, wriggle the other arm out. Do your hips in a figure of 8, shimmy them around, wiggle your bottom, wiggle your knees, wiggle your legs, take a big breath in. Let it out in a big sigh. To warm up our voices and to get our brains focused, we're going to learn a little rhyme, and it goes like this: chicky chicky cha cha, chicky chicky cha cha, chicky chicky cha 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 cha, cha cha chicky chicky cha cha, chicky chicky cha cha, chicky chicky cha cha cha, cha 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 cha, cha 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 cha. 2 sounds, chicky chicky and cha cha. My turn, your turn. Chicky chicky cha cha, chicky chicky cha cha. Chicky chicky cha 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 cha. Let's put that all together. Chicky chicky cha cha, chicky chicky cha cha, chicky chicky cha 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 cha. So we do 3 chicky chickies, then a cha cha cha. Let's do it again. Off we go. Chicky chicky cha cha, chicky chicky cha cha, chicky chicky cha 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 cha. Very, very good. Then we do this. Cha cha, chicky chicky cha cha, chicky chicky cha cha, chicky chicky cha cha cha. Your turn. Cha cha, chicky chicky cha cha, chicky chicky cha cha, chicky chicky cha cha cha. Let's put those 2 things together. Off we go. Chicky chicky cha cha, chicky chicky cha cha, chicky chicky cha 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 cha, cha cha chicky chicky cha cha, chicky chicky cha cha, chicky chicky cha cha cha. Very, very good. Then we do cha on the beat like this. Cha 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 cha. Off we go. Cha 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 cha. Then we do cha on the off beat or the out clap like this. Cha, 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 cha. Off you go. Cha, 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 cha. This can help, and it's a bit more stable than doing a big clap. Cha, cha, okay? So let's do those 2 sections together. Cha on the beat, cha off the beat. The beat, the beat. What's the beat? The beat is the heartbeat or the pulse that goes through the music. It's stable and steady. It can get faster, it can go slower. Let's try and do those 2 bits together to a steady beat. Off we go. Cha, 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 cha. Cha, 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 cha. Very good. Let's put it all together. You ready? From the beginning, off we go. Chicky chicky cha cha, chicky chicky cha cha, chicky chicky cha 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 cha, cha cha chicky chicky cha cha, chicky chicky cha cha, chicky chicky cha cha cha, cha 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 cha, cha 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 cha. Very, very good. We're going to do it in the canon together. Oh yes we are. I'm going to say it in one side of the screen and in another side of the screen, and you can choose which side that you're going to do. Off we go. Chicka chicka cha cha, chicka chicka cha cha, chicka chicka cha 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 cha, cha 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 A canon! I said a canon! What's a canon? A canon is where a tune or a chant is sung with repeats. Frere Jacques is another form of a canon, or London's Burning. Okay, we've warmed up our bodies, we've warmed up our voices, let's get ready for our 3 songs today. This first song, Going on a Picnic, reminds me of a fun game I used to play with my grandma about a shopping list where you'd go shopping and you'd have to remember, and each person would say a thing like, I went to the shops and I bought a pencil. I went to the shops and I bought a pencil and a chocolate bar. I went to the shops and I bought a pencil and a chocolate bar and a banana, and then you keep going round and round. This is a bit like this but in song form, and I've got something to help us. This is a little tiny prompt card with different bits of food that's going to help us remember what we're singing. I'm going to start singing the song, I'm sure you'll pick it up. Off I go, going on a picnic, we're leaving right away. If it doesn't rain, we'll stay all day. Have you brought an orange? Yes, we brought an orange. Going on a picnic on a lovely day. Going on a picnic, we're leaving right away. If it doesn't rain, we'll stay all day. Have you bought an orange? Have you bought a boiled egg? Yes, we bought an orange. Yes, we bought a boiled egg. Going on a picnic on a lovely day. Going on a picnic, we're leaving right away. If it doesn't rain, we'll stay all day. Have you bought an orange? Have you bought a boiled egg? Have you bought a sandwich? You bought an orange. Yes, I bought a boiled egg. Yes, I bought. Going on a picnic on a lovely day. Going on a picnic, we're leaving right away. If it doesn't rain, we'll stay all day. Have you bought an orange? Have you bought a boiled egg? Have you bought a sandwich? Have you bought a banana? Yes, we bought an orange. Yes, we bought a boiled egg. Yes, we bought a... And yes, we bought a... Going on a picnic on a lovely day. That's such a fun song, and you and your family can think of all the different things you want to take with you on a picnic. A frisbee, a ball, a blanket, some water, maybe a book, all those different things, and you can line them up and see if you can remember them all. It's so important to remember to just sing for the pure joy of singing, and that song really reminds me of that. Our next song, we're going to talk a little bit more about rhythm. So we're going to be using long and short sounds and maybe some silence as well. So I'm going to sing a song to you that goes like this. Can you tap this rhythm for me just like this, just like this? Then you sing. We can tap this rhythm for you just like this, just like this. It's so tempting to just clap straight away because I know we do that at school, but in our song you're going to sing to me as well. Okay, let's try it again. Can you tap this rhythm for me just like this, just like this? We can tap this rhythm for you just like this, just like this. Very, very good. Let's do one more. Can you tap this rhythm for me just like this, just like this? We can tap this rhythm for you just like this, just like this. What we would love is for you to film your versions on Twitter, and then we can all clap your rhythm. We can maybe film them and send them back to you. Use the hashtag #VFIntoMusic. Okay, Okay, for our last song, it's a very tenuous link. The song is called Tony Chestnut, and it's all about doing lots of different actions with our bodies. But I thought the chestnut, I love chestnuts at Christmas time, roast chestnuts, or in a nut roast, or chestnut puree, or anything to do with chestnuts. Nom 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 nom. They're so yummy. So I thought this song kind of linked with food. Okay, here we go. The song goes like this. Tony Chestnut knows I love him. Tony knows. Tony knows, Tony Chestnut knows I love him, that's what Tony knows. I've got a toe, I've got a knee, I've got a chest, and I've got a nut. Some people call their heads their nut. I've got an eye, nose as well I have, knows I love him. Let me teach you the song first. Tony Chestnut knows I love him, Tony Chestnut. Tony knows, Tony knows, Tony knows, Tony knows, Tony Chestnut knows I love him, Tony Chestnut knows I love him, that's what Tony knows, that's what Tony knows. Okay, let's try it with the actions. Off we go. Tony Chestnut knows I love him. Tony knows, Tony knows, Tony Chestnut knows I love him. That's what Tony knows. Let's do it again. Off we go. Tony Chestnut knows I love him. Tony knows, Tony knows, Tony Chestnut knows I love him, that's what Tony knows. I kept forgetting which part of my body. Should we try it slower? Let's have a slower tempo. Off we go. Tony Chestnut knows I love him. Tony knows, Tony knows, Tony Chestnut knows I love him, that's what Tony knows. Very good. Now in true style we're going to do it super fast so we're all going to get confused. Are you ready? Off we go. Tony Chestnut knows I love him. Tony knows, Tony knows, Tony Chestnut knows I love him, that's what Tony knows. Right. Your task, my lovely little friends, is to do it as fast as you can, as slow as you can, tag us on Twitter, but then see if you can use your magical musical powers and put some of it into your inner hearing. Maybe we'll only sing toe and knee, like this. Tony. You decide. We'd love to see what you get up to. Thank you for being with us today. We hope you had a lot of fun and learned something new. If you enjoyed the songs used today, be sure to check out the Voices Foundation Inside Music books, linked in the description below. We hope you enjoy singing these songs over the weekend and we'll see you next Friday. Bye for now.